Hello guys, welcome to the 37th session of using Microsoft Board Framework, LUIS and Cognitive Services tutorials for beginners. In this session we will learn how to send a different response to different channels. It is one of the useful features. As we know, each channel does not support all of these features, such as for adding bold text in some channels we can use HTML, or in some we need to use Markdown. So using this, we can generate a different response to those two channels. It is not limited to text formatting. We can also attach rich cards that are only supported by a specific channel. For example, Facebook's flight card. We need to assign our data to channel data property of message activity. Channel data is dynamic property which can hold any kind of object. We need to create an object as per JSON payload data required by channel. Microsoft's documentation contains various JSON examples for that. It also contains links to channels docs, so we can also learn and create more rich attachment as per requirement. I have created a new dialog for that and also updated it in message controller. And the retrieved message from a result, let us create a reply from it. Message.channelid, it contains the name of channel, that is emulator, Facebook, Skype, Slack, Telegram, etc. If it was a Telegram, then I am going to send a sticker. Here is a payload data that required by Telegram to create a sticker. It includes the name of method, that is send sticker. And within parameters, pass attachment details. Here I have used an image from Giphy. Let us copy this and escaping its quotes. If you perform this operation more frequently, then you can also create a model and assign values to properties. But here I am going to use Newtonsoft to deserialize the JSON data. Here is payload data example for Slack. It includes text and multiple attachments. The first attachment contains a link as well as image, where second attachment only contains title and text. You can also add fields, footers, etc. But in this example, I don't need this. Let us copy this and escape quotes for these two. And copy paste case. Change to Slack and update JSON string. Here is payload data example for the Facebook Messenger. Here I have just added an image. Let us encode it and update JSON data. Create a default case and assign text message that you want to display in your bot other than Telegram, Slack and Facebook. At the end, send this reply to our bot. We need to publish those changes in Azure. Let us send hi from Telegram. Here we got GIF stickers as per JSON payload data. Let us check in Slack. Here we got title string as well as two attachments. First contains an image and another contains only title and text. And now I am sending hi from emulator. Here we got a text message that we have specified in the default case. Let us see what we have learned in this session. To send channel specific data, we need to use channel ID to obtain channel based on which perform the operation, and assign custom payload data into channel data of the message. Here is the payload for Telegram and Facebook. Here for Slack. And here is an example that we have developed. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.